When it comes to managing thousands of photos safely and privately, two names dominate the self-hosted world: Photoprism and Immich. Both are open source, both put you in full control of your data, and both promise to be the perfect Google Photos replacement. But which one is actually better for you? Stick around, because the differences might surprise you. Let's start with what they share. Photoprism and Immich both focus heavily on privacy, self-hosting, and local control. That means your photos stay with you. No cloud subscription, no tracking, and no data selling. But the moment you start using them, you'll realize they're built for completely different types of users. Photoprism is the more mature, stable, and traditional option. Its strength is in its AI powered tagging and search. So if you type beach, mountain, or even bicycle, it finds what you need instantly. It runs directly in your web browser, and instead of mobile apps, it simply scans your existing folders exactly the way you've organized them. It also supports RAW files extremely well, making it a solid choice for photographers with smaller or static libraries who value reliability over speed. And if privacy is your top concern, Photoprism is rock solid. No hidden telemetry, no analytics, nothing phoning home. It just works. On the other hand, Immich is a fast, modern, mobile-first powerhouse. Think of it as the closest open source alternative to Google Photos in 2025. It has native mobile apps, automatic phone backup, a beautiful timeline view, and extremely fast performance, especially with large libraries. Immich includes features like facial recognition, advanced metadata search, and secure login options. It's updated constantly and feels like a next generation photo experience. If you store tens or hundreds of thousands of photos, Immich handles them with ease. So which one is better? If you want stability, traditional browsing, and strong AI search in a privacy-focused package, Photoprism wins. But if you want speed, well, mobile convenience, constant updates, and the closest thing to Google Photos without giving your data away, Immich is a clear choice. At the end of the day, it really depends on how you manage your photos. But whether you go with Photoprism or Immich, both are powerful tools that put your memories back in your control. If you want more comparisons like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite pick in the comments. Thanks for watching.